One of my favorite things to do is to play with the accessories you already have and make it look brand new. And my house is no exception. I recently looked around and saw that my shelves were looking pretty darn sad. So today I'm gonna attack them, and I thought you might like to come along. The first thing to notice about these sad shelves is that there's really no common theme. There's nothing tying the shelves together. And so it just kind of looks like a jumbled mess. Yeah, I got pictures, and yeah, I got some silver things, but it's just not holding together. Also, notice how the shelves are unevenly placed. That's fine if it's accommodating object size, but here it's really, really not. So it just looks funky. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything off the shelves and sort it by finish and texture. That'll help me when I build the new shelves. So now I have everything sorted. I have silver, gold, some shells, some glass, and lots of frames, and then I have some more elements that I love, but I don't think they're going to fit. So they're just going to rotate out for now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I picked up some simple frames from Amazon, and I'm going to put them all the pictures I want to use in the same type of frame. That's going to completely simplify the look. So I've completed the 4x6s on the top in the gray, and I still have the 5x7s on the bottom still to do. But look how much more cleaner and unified those pictures look on top. I'm excited to see how it all comes out. Since I'm going with a fairly neutral color scheme, I need to have lots and lots of textures. So these are the objects I'm adding in. I'm adding in some vases of various shapes, some filigree metalwork, a geode, and these are some awesome books I sell that are real books, but covered in really cool maps and writing. And then I have some old paperbacks that I've tea stained that I also use to mix in. Okay, here's the after. Turned out kind of coastal, but I love it. So much more unified, simple, beautiful. Put the pictures mostly at eye level so they can be enjoyed. I ended up going into my china cabinet and pulling out some chargers because it just felt like I needed a little more texture. And then I like to keep, since these bookshelves are right across from each other, I like to keep them somewhat parallel. Very simple. Also, I took out 2 shelves and I didn't use everything I thought I was going to use. Here are the 2 shelves. And don't be afraid to eliminate and edit as you go along. It's not like you have to get rid of everything, but you can switch it out, and that's what keeps things fun. So now they're parallel, they're unified, and they're beautiful. Thanks for watching.